Welcome to the sequential execution topic. Sequential execution means instructions are executed in order. Let's read the mission 1. Drive the robot to its goal using multiple move forward commands to complete the task. All the commands are present in terms of blocks in the left-hand side block area. Now, from the block section, we can drag the move forward to the code area, and on the right-hand side, we have the display area. To run the code, click on the green button. It will perform whatever we have inside the code area. Here we have one move forward, so the robot took one step, but the robot failed to reach the goal because we used only one move forward block that is present in the code area, so we have to retry. In total, it's 1, then 2, 3, and 4, a total of 4 move forward commands to reach the goal. Let's drag 3 more. Let's click on the green color play button to see the output. We have successfully passed. Let's see the next mission. Mission number 2 is to try the new display block along with the move forward block. We are going to use the next block, which is the display block. Earlier, we had only the move forward block. Now we have the display block, move forward block, and move backward block. We can use all these blocks. Let's use a move forward block and see. As we know, this will move the robot in the forward direction. But our mission is to display a message, so let's drag the display block to the code area. This block will display the text written inside a string block. The text is called string encoding if it is written inside the speech marks. Then let's drag the string block and write hello. We can write any text inside this block. Let's run now. Here we go. The robot has moved and displayed hello. So, we are done with this mission too. Let's move ahead. Let's see the next mission. Mission number 3. It says to drive the robot to its goal. So this time, we can use the commands turn left and turn right to control the robot. So here our goal is it's not straightforward. We have to take a turn to reach the goal. So first of all, we will take 2 move forward because it has 2 steps. After that, the robot has to go to the left-hand side. So we will take turn left. Let's drag it. Let's try to run. If we run the code, it takes steps 1 and then 2, and it's just turned, but we failed to complete the mission as we had to reach the goal. So we will take 2 move forward blocks again to complete it. Now, hit the run button. We have done with the 3rd mission. Let's go with the next one. Here, mission number 4 is to drive the robot to its goal and display hooray. First of all, we have to count how many steps it's 1 here, 2, and 3 to reach the end of the line. So, we will use the move forward block 3 times. Then we have to take the turn. After that, we know we have to count it's 1, then 2, and 3, so 3 more times we will take move forward blocks. After that, robot has to move. Here it's again robot's right-hand side will take turn right again and move forward 3 times. Here we go. Let's run the 4th mission. Wow. It works completely fine. Let's move to mission number 5. Mission number 5 is to drive the robot to its goal. So first of all, robot will go 2 steps forward. Then we'll take turn and 2 more steps. Now, let's run the code to see where the robot position is. Here it is, so we need to take a right turn again and 2 steps to reach the end of the line. Let's run to see the outcome. This time, the robot is facing toward us. So be careful while taking a turn. Let's use the turn right block and see. As we see, the robot is turning to its right, which is our left, so we need to turn the robot towards the left. At this point, we can experiment by turning ourselves back. Then we realize the goal is in the left direction. Let's drag this and take turn left. Now, the robot is 3 steps away from the goal, so we are taking 3 move forward blocks. Let's run to see. Here we go. We have successfully passed this mission. Let's move to the next mission. Mission number 6 is to pick up the ball and drive the robot to its goal. This time, we can use the pickup command to pick up the object. Here, in the block section, we have the pickup object command. But let's see after how many steps the ball is present. It's 2, so let's take 2 move forward blocks first, and then let's drag pickup object block. But we're still 2 steps away from the goal. So here we will drag 2 move forward blocks, and now let's run the code to see the output. Amazing! We did it! Let's move on to the next mission. Mission number 7 is to pick up the ball and drive the robot to its goal. If we see in the beginning that the ball is 1 step away, then we will take 1 move forward and then pick up the object. And then again, we check. And then again, we check 1 more move forward and take a turn towards the left. After taking a turn, there is 1 more step, and the ball is present, so, accordingly, we use the move forward block and pick up the object block. In 1 step, there is a turn, so move forward, and we will drag the turn right block. Now, the last ball is present, but 1 move forward block is required to reach, so move forward and then pick up the object, and finally, 1 more move forward to reach the goal. Let's run it to see the output. While we successfully passed the mission, let's move on to the next one. Mission number 8 is to pick up the ball and drive the robot to its goal. In this, we have 5 objects present, so let's see the first one is in 1 step, so let's drag move forward and then pick up the object. Now, 1 more move forward, and we have to turn right. The second ball is in 1 step away, so 1 move forward block and pick up object block. After that, there is 1 more step, and the robot has to turn towards the right-hand side, so we will drag the move forward block and turn right block. Now, take 2 more steps and pick up the object. Now, the robot has to move in the left direction, so we will drag and move left. And one move forward to reach to the fourth ball. Pick up the object, then move forward and pick up the last ball. Finally, one more step, so use the move forward block to reach the goal. Now, let's run the code. Awesome! We have successfully passed the mission. This completes the sequential execution topic.
See you on the next topic.